Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this gradient text effect on CapCut PC. Just going to add in the default text here, and I'm going to type in gradient. Also going to change the font to like a bolder one, maybe this one here. And you're just going to start selecting colors. For instance, I'm going to try to do like a sunset type of vibe. So we'll just copy and paste that. Like so, and I'll copy and paste one more. Okay, then I'm just going to right click, create compound clip on them separately. Go to video, go to mask, and select the horizontal one. I'm just going to rotate it so the purple is down here. You can also use the mirror one if you want the like colors to be on like two sides here. Then go back to video to this one. Maybe have it here. And feather it out. Then we'll do this one last. Let me just go back and feather it out even a little bit more. If you want to add glow, just go to effects and add in the outline glow or something like that. It's in lens, I think. The edge glow, sorry. And that is how you can create a gradient text effect on CapCut PC. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!